Welcome to Borail News. 11 Assam Rifles distributed materials to orphans' home in Haflong. In an effort to minimize the impact of natural calamities that has hit Dima Hasao district recently, and in an act of humanitarian, the Haflong-based 11 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter 21 Sector IGARE on Wednesday distributed essential items like sanitary napkins, grocery items, hygienic kit and rations to inmates of Hosana Orphanage Home at Mulhoi in Haflong. The distribution have benefited 35 children and orphanage home staff who are yet to receive any assistance from any organization or from the district administration. The activity focuses to provide happiness to the orphanage children which might not be seen in part of their life, and the gesture have been highly praised by the local populace while appreciating the Assam Rifles personnel. Bureau Report, Borail News.